Hi there, what's up? I'm Vishal from my web. In this video, we're going to integrate our template CDN Tailwind CSS into our blank HTML page. So first of all, I'm going to open my text editor. And here's my text editor. For now, let me open my project. So basically, I already created a blank folder on my desktop. So I created a folder with Tailwind underscore project. So I'll select. Okay. And I just created a blank HTML file, as you can see. Okay. Now, so first of all, I install some extension in my VS Code. So first of all, I'm going to do my extension code and search Tailwind CSS. At the top of the page, as you can see, there is it's developed by Tailwind Labs. It means it's officially created by Tailwind team. Okay. So just install it because it's give you a list of suggestions of the classes. After that, the next extension will be live server. You just type and you got the live server, which is developed by Day. It's provide you a live server for your static pages or some kind of development purpose. Okay. So I just close this because I already installed it. Now I open two browsers at the same time. Sorry, one side I open my code editor and here is my browser. Now, let's go back and I create a blank HTML page. And this is what Tailwind CSS. And I put the HTML class. Hello there, Tailwind. Version 4. Okay, let's save. Now, I'm going to start my server from there. Now, as you can see, this is hello there, Tailwind 4. Now, I'm just open. I'm going to copy this script. As you know, it's only for the development purpose. It's not it's not suitable for production-based projects. Okay, so just copy the CDN link and paste it after title. Let's save. Now, take a look at this text. Okay. So now for the checking this check these things, I just apply some pre-built utility classes of Tailwind CSS. Like I want to change the font size plus text Excel. Okay, so it will change the font size a little bit. Okay, now let's copy it multiple times and apply like 2 Excel, 3 Excel. After that 4 Excel and this is 5 Excel. Let's save. Now as you can see, it's all based on the level up. It's going to level up the font size of this things. Okay. So for now, let's remove all of these previous classes. Now put some classes for the color. So take the text. Okay. I apply BG orange 500. Let's save. Put the text white. Okay, that's looking good. Now I put some padding, so I just apply the P5. Okay, don't worry about these classes. I will cover up all of this typographic things in later videos. For now, I just give you a sample to how to use the CDN link for development purpose. If you don't have a high configuration PC or some kind of you just want to play with CDN. Okay. So that's it. You can use your CDN with your blank HTML page. Okay. Further now, that's it. And in the next video, I will install this Tailwind CLI into our project and go with this. Okay. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay with me. Happy coding.